southeast at 20 knots. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Portland Headlight, Great Chesapeake Island, Portland Julian Pathway Light. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Mariners can expect gusty winds